If you can relate, this video is for you. So in the video, you're going to see me using a tool called the Waterline Buddy. It is basically a syringe with a small water line that goes up into your water dispenser spout and allows you to pump in warm water or hot water to dissolve or unthaw the ice that's built up in your water lines, allowing you to be able to get water from your refrigerator. Here's an actual close-up of it. I'm going to put a link in the description for you too through Amazon, but you can see here you can buy it at waterlinebuddy.com. All right, got a whole cup of hot water using the Water Buddy. So I'm not going to explain the whole thing. You'll be able to see it. Does it work?
Works.
Perfect.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. All right, the link to the Waterline Buddy is in the description below. And also, if you would please subscribe, like my videos, shoot me a comment if you'd like. I'd love to have you guys come back around for another video in the future. Thanks.